What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. It's Friday, the 18th of August, 2023, and I am in Orlando. I was in Orlando yesterday morning. I am in Toronto, Canada. It's got an early flight here this morning. I got a quick little meeting, making some moves, ladies and gentlemen, making some moves. Let's keep it at that. But I do have some news I want to share. Keeping it uncut, unedited, and raw. That's how I roll. That's how I've been growing this channel. On the flight here from JFK. Oh, by the way, look at this. We have the Sheraton right here. Oh, Sheraton. It's not inside the airport like it is in Orlando, but that's pretty cool. Next time I fly into Toronto, I'll make a resi there. Keeping it uncut, unedited, and raw, as promised. I told you guys that I would be sharing the results of that state of Florida Master Plumbers exam with you guys. And let's just say the email came in mid-flight from JFK. Stick around, guys. So here is the cigarette duty free. Oh my God. They really don't want you to smoke in Canada. Oh my God. This is insane. Wow. Pom-pom. It says, where there's smoke, there's poison. I wish I never started smoking. Thank God I only drink now, socially. I got this bottle of Macallan Terra. I'm gonna try this out. All right, so one of the things that keep coming into my mind is that I actually get the score of the exam results, and knowing that 30% is the isometric drawings, if I ace the AM and PM written exam, the multiple choice on a Scantron, if I miss that, if I don't get 100% on that, and I get a 0 on the isometrics, that's what really, really, really has me nervous this whole time, is that if I miss that, and I don't get 100, and I get 0 points on my isometric drawings, I know I'm screwed. That passing rate is 70, and 30% of 100 is 30, right? And that means I need to score at least something right on the isometrics. And there's a lot on the isometrics that you have to score right. You need to have labeling, right? You need to have orientation, right? It needs to kind of like be the scale, right? Oh man, I really don't want to do this again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 5:30, Friday. I'm back home. Wow, it's exhausting. I only had, literally, it's an hour flight there, an hour flight back. But it's exhausting. Exhausting. Stop jumping to the pool. And I want to tell you guys that this exam, this Florida exam, man, ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. And in order to get a 70, you need to get every single question correct on the written exam, which are the multiple choices. You have 50 questions in the morning, 70 questions in the afternoon. You need, or is it 80? Maybe 80. I don't remember. But 5 and 5 are placebos. If you get all those correct, you almost have a 70. Almost have a 70. All right? You need to get at least something right on the isometric drawing in order to get a 70 or above. And I got a fucking 73. That's right. I fucking passed. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I was so nervous that I actually got the email on my way to Toronto. I saw the email once. I landed and I called my wife. I said, listen, actually I texted her. I was like, listen, the results are in the inbox. I'm too much of a, I was going to say it, try to keep it family oriented. I'm too scared to open it. She goes, you want me to open it? I was like, yes. And then literally 10 seconds later, she called me and she goes, you passed. I'm like, oh my God, thank God, Baruch Hashem. To do that again, I couldn't do it. And I couldn't have done it with each and every single one of you guys. Guys, thank you so much for your unconditional support in this crazy journey that I've been taking and documenting on this YouTube channel. Thank you for checking me out on the Uncensored channel. Thank you for the strength and motivation to give back with the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy nonprofit charitable organization, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy YouTube channel. Even my dog, Soli and Gigi, they have a YouTube channel. To all of you guys, this channel is each and every single one of you. Thank you guys. Let's head into the pool.